In case of a non-cognizable offence under the Act, the circle in charge shall seek...
which rule?
Rule 7, sub-rule 5.
Ji.
4 or 5 agar dono dekh lein, sir.
Ji, rule 7.
Sub-rule 4 and sub-rule 5.
Ji.
In case a cognizable offence has been committed under the Act, the circle in charge, after seeking legal opinion, shall order registration of such case subject to prior approval of additional director in the zone. 5. In case of a non-cognizable offence under the Act, the circle in charge shall seek permission of the competent court for investigation under Section 155 of the Code.
Isn't this ample safeguard?
It is not followed in any case.
No, that's a secondary question. First of all, you have to say this is ample safeguard if followed.
Yes.
Or you say, no, it's not.
If followed, yes. If followed, yes. There is a second argument, though, regarding the law itself that I'll put.
Well,
but on this argument, yes, that is.
That makes our job very easy.
Yes, sir.
We can stress it.
Yes, sir.
That it must be followed in each and every case.
Yes, sir.
So that is over.
Because what happens is, and that is why I was pointing
like
to
I said, nobody can stop anyone from doing. I mean, one is the law itself. One is misuse of the law, or trying to do things which the law does not permit. Like, for instance, if you file a false FIR, you can be criminally prosecuted. How many criminal prosecutions happen in Pakistan?
Yes, sir. Very few, sir.
It's a criminal offense. And then you can also sue for damages also.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't happen. Huh?
But the reason we are seeking...
No, it doesn't happen, so they get away with it. Like, you say the same thing, go and say it in the UK. You'll be financially wiped out because of damages. Yahan kya hai? Yahan to you earn money for, sometimes you just say things, okay, I get more viewership, I get more controversial. The more controversial, the better the bookseller.
Yes.
So I want to more focus on the ultra vires aspects of the law, if any.
Sir.
Because there is also a judgment, I think, of
Islamabad High Court.
I think you'll come to that.
It's a short order, yes. The detailed judgment.
Now we have one difficulty. There's another. I didn't realize they're clashing benches today. There's a 5-member bench. Six-member bench. My brother corrects me. That takes priority. So when do you want it?
Sir, if it can be later this week, sir. Thursday, Friday.
Tomorrow?
Sir, tomorrow na kare. Tomorrow I have to.
Huh?
But tomorrow will be difficult for me, sir. I have a matter that.
Where?
Sir, it is in the Sindh High Court, but it is part heard and.
You'll go there.
Yes, sir.
Aaj ke Monday, na? What about Wednesday? Wednesday? Will you be able to come back?
Thursday, agar rakh lein, sir. Agar
Thursday. Thursday we have that other case review. Ji.
Friday, sir, or next week.
Can't you continue tomorrow?
Sir, agar video link se phir ijazat de dein, sir.
It's not the same. It's really not the same, and I can't hear you, or you can't hear us, or there's overlap always. So how urgent is?
Sir, yeah, Wednesday. Agar Wednesday hai, to theek hai Wednesday.
We were thinking of. I didn't realize this bench. अब ये भी पता नहीं वो date उसमें क्या पड़ती है. So you are saying this week is not convenient.
Agar next week ho jaye to.
Unless somebody else we can hear on this side, or you're the only counsel.
My lord. As counsel, I'm the only one. Perhaps Ms. Fariha.
No. We won't allow that. You can ask her, and we can certainly take on board. Otherwise, we'll have to hear everybody, which the case will never get decided.
Sir, if Wednesday is possible, I'll.
Wednesday, okay? ठीक है? चलिए Wednesday रख लेते हैं.
ठीक है. Great.
Only request that my petition be clubbed and heard with these.
But actually, it's no longer that simple. Everything goes to the committee now.
It's been there for a month and a half, and I did put the request to club it with these petitions. I attached the orders.
It doesn't happen. if he's going to say the same thing, then let him say it. If you have something special, you can tell Mr. Salahuddin Ahmed.
My Lord, I think perhaps on the technical sides of things, as she is a journalist.
Yeah, we will not go down that level. We are going to stay in the level of law and constitution. We're not going to say this happens and that happens.
I wish to argue about the law and the constitution. I have followed the procedure. It is before the committee.
We'll have a look. If the committee decides when it meets, generally we meet on Thursdays, generally, but it's changeable. So, abhi Wednesday ka kar deंगे.
Grateful, sir.
May I make a submission also? I would like to file a statement on. I would like to file a statement from the court. Being a vice
आप आ तो जाना माइक पे.
Sir, I would like to file a statement as a Vice Chairman Pakistan Bar Council in the instant matter. I may be allowed to.
By all means, you are supporting Mr. Salahuddin, opposing. What is your plea?
Supporting, Lordship.
Huh?
Supporting.
Achha, okay. Do you have any objection? But if you're filing something, then you have to do it in the office as we are adjourning and give them copies also so they can also see it. ठीक है?
Thank you.
So by all means, file it. इसमें लिखिए. Mr. Qayyum Siddiqui, is he representing you?
No, sir.
Is Mr. Salahuddin Ahmed representing you?
No, sir.
Okay, because he's taken away Mr. Imran Shafqat from you and Mr. Amir Mir.
Not Amir Mir, sir.
Okay.
Absar Alam and Matiullah Jan.
Okay, अच्छा चलें तो ठीक है. इसमें लिखिए.
आमिर मीर साहब के जहांगीर जदून साहब पेश होते हैं गालिबन.
वो तो नहीं है. ओके. आपका स्टेटमेंट हम लिख लें. Yes?
Yes.
इसमें लिखिए. Do you know the FIR numbers?
127 of 2021 and 128 of...
127 is whose?
This is Mr. Amir Meer's.
Registered at which police station?
By Lahore Cybercrime Wing Circle, Cybercrime Circle.
ये किस जगह मिलेगी हमें?
Yes, sir. They are part of CMA's 2488.
नहीं वाली.
2488, sir. FIR 127 is at page 5. This is Mr. Amir Meer's, and FIR 128 is at page 11.
Page?
Page 5, sir. Page 5 and page 11 are the two FIRs.
इसमें लिखिए Learned Attorney General of Pakistan has filed. Today you filed CMA number 2488 and
2490, sir.
What happened to 89?
8788 were filed by me, and
2489 is filed by?
Your Lordship, अगर इजाजत हो तो एक और इशू भी आपके
2488 and 2490 of 2024. ये बात में and states that FIR number 127/2021 registered at
FIA Cybercrime Wing.
FIA Cybercrime Wing, Lahore, on 7 August 2021 against Mr. Naam kahan likha hai?
Sir, it's in the 8th or 9th line at the bottom, from the bottom, sir.
Registered by the state against
Mr. Amir Meer.
Mr.
Amir Meer.
Amir Meer.
Ji.
Under sections 11,13 कितने section लगाएं? Under sections 11, 13, 20 and 24 of the Pakistan Electronic Crimes Act, 2016, read with sections 469, 500, 505 and 509 of the Pakistan Penal Code were registered under a previous government, and the government and FIA and the government and the federal government is not. What is the language you want to use? We'll use your words.
My lord, the FIA does not wish to pursue this matter.
And in his opinion, case is not made out.
Case is not made out.
And in his opinion is your opinion. And in his opinion, the case was not made out, and FIA will not be pursuing will be closing. What's the technical word?
No, now FIA will be moving an appropriate application before the trial court.
And FIA
closure of them.
will be moving an appropriate application for closure of the said case against Mr. Amir Mir. Full stop. He has also referred to, the next one is?
Page 11, sir, FIR number 128 of 2021 against Mr. Imran Shafkat.
अच्छा ये मैं ख्याल में आप यहाँ से देख लेना.
Also dated.
Particulars. ठीक है, ये 11 नंबर से वही चीजें लिख देना इधर. इसका भी वही लिख देना. ठीक है, ये तो दो हो गए. These two are done.
Yes, my lord.
अच्छा जी, आप क्या बता रहे हैं?
सब ये बताना था कि रिजवान रजी को भी आप इफ यू रिमेंबर उठा लिया गया था हथकड़ियां लगा के, फिर ये FIA वाले उनकी तस्वीर जो है वो वायरल करते हैं जर्नलिस्टों की. तो उसके बाद हाई कोर्ट में भी उनका रिजवान रजी का एक केस है, उस पर स्टे भी हुआ.
लेकिन वो जब तक कोई चीज हमारे कागज नहीं है तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते ना. आप इनको बता दीजिए अटॉर्नी जनरल से.
मैं बिल्कुल
इनको he won't know even if you just tell him like this. He will need to naturally find out about it. This तो he has filed reports, so he knows about them. अच्छा, इसमें लिखिए we commenced hearing Mr. Salahuddin Ahmed. However, in view of the fact that there is a larger bench at 11:30, the matter is adjourned to tomorrow, day after.
Day after.
परसों की तारीख डाल दीजिए. हाँ. Do you want a time? I mean, if you're catching a morning flight, we can do the rest of the board.
11:30 would be best, sir. 11:30 would be best. If
I don't want to do it because I don't know what that bench may have to give the conflicting time. So, but we will accommodate you. If you're not here, we will wait for you.
Grateful, sir.
ठीक है. Time नहीं रखिए. ठीक है. आप इनको बता दीजिए. Anything else? ये आपको कुछ फाइल करना है, आप फाइल कर दीजिए.
Your Lordship, I'll be representing RIUJ and PFUJ. उसमें हम इंटरवीनर के तौर पे आ रहे हैं. लास्ट डेट पर हियरिंग पे कोर्ट ने अलाउ किया था, तो we will file appropriate application for their inclusion in this case.
Why are you saying this and why don't you just file it? You're waiting for some invitation.
मुझे रात को उन्होंने कहा है तो I'll be filing. कल कर दें.
बिल्कुल आप करें, कौन मना कर रहा है आपको?
प्लीज.
केस खत्म हो जाएगा, फिर आप ना कहिएगा.
We'll assist Mr. Salahuddin.
फिर आप कहिएगा कि मुझे तो सुना ही नहीं.
No,
चलें, ओके.